Hello guys, this is Christian Hernandez from PokeView, and today we are opening up what we call a quick ball. It's different from the Great Ball and the Pokeball because it's apparently a faster ball to catch Pokemon in the wild when you encounter them. Pretty much it has a more successful rate of catching the Pokemon than a regular Pokeball or a Great Ball. So it's faster, literally. It's literally faster than a Great Ball. Now I don't know how you would compare it with an Ultra Ball, but it's apparently faster. So that's what the status say on it. Oh, and it comes with 3 Pokemon TCG booster packs and 1 Pokecoin. Let's see. Oh, look at this. Okay, we opened it. Okay. So it it comes with a Pikachu coin, the big one, like the Eevee one. There's the one it comes with, and there's the Eevee one. So yeah, I don't know how you would, but yeah. So it comes with that. It comes with Lost Origins, another Lost Origins, and Chilling Reign. Sword and Shield. These are all Sword and Shield packs. Let me see, getting my card. Okay, so here we go. Look at this Pikachu, it's so cute. Polygon Z. Chilling Reign, Sword and Shield. Oh, okay, we got one of my favorite Pokemon. First, let me take the code away. Okay. Cast Form Rain. I think it has like 4 evolutions, and this is one of them. Well, not evolutions, but forms, I guess. I guess it changes also by the weather, but this is one of my favorite Pokemon. I love this Pokemon. Cute. Okay. A Sobble. Also one of my favorite Pokemon. Who's this bad boy? Oh, this is a Sandaconda. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Sandaconda. My anaconda, though, anyway. I blame Nicki Minaj. Anyways, let's see. So we're opening up Lost Origin Sword and Shield. Well, if it opens up, okay, there we go. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Oh, of course, let me take my card out. Okay. Oh, we got a trainer, Uzu, I don't know. but it's like a full art in a way. I mean, I don't know what you would call this card, but cute. I don't know what these cards are. I know it's part of the new game, but okay. Riley, a trainer card. Okay, so this was all the cards. We got our Uzu. I don't know. Don't start with me, okay? This really glossy card right here. But yeah, that's what we got. And I will see you next video. Please, 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 please. I would really appreciate it if you can subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, and share. But please subscribe. Please, 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 I'm begging you. Every like saves the channel. No, I'm just joking. But if you like my video, that would mean the world to me. If you can comment and let me know how I'm doing. I know sometimes I sound very serious. I'm trying my best to be more open, and you know, it's not really me. I'm just very straightforward. But anyways, please subscribe. I will love you forever. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.